Hello everyone and welcome. In this video for today, we are going to look at the active Roblox Jujitsu Infinite code for January 2025. And let's get into it. The first one we have is Twitter 75 Yay. Redeem this code to get 100 spins. Next is Happy 2025. If you redeem this code, you will get 100 spins, times 2 experience and times 2 mastery. Next we have is 50k followers. Redeem this code to get 50 spins and experience times 2 experience for 60 minutes. The next one we have is Merry Christmas. Redeem this code to get 100 spins. The next is Release. Redeem this code to get 200 spins. Now, how do you redeem these codes? How to redeem code in Jujitsu Infinite. First thing you do is launch the Jujitsu Infinite game on Roblox. Click on the Twitter bird icon located on the left side of the screen. Then enter one of the active codes in the text box and click the redeem button. Next, enjoy your rewards. Note please, codes are usually time limited, so redeem them as soon as possible to avoid missing out on the rewards. I hope this helps. Go ahead, go do it so you can enjoy your game. See you in the next video.